Moving on to Earth now, Hime, your robot dragon queen. With those beautiful wings, I suppose she's also part machine. With a step towards wholesome, and it seems so right. You catch us with your charms, and you know you're special, and a queen you mean no harm. Her name is Hime, and she has an evil plan. Just wants to put a baby in everyone's hands. And her boobs are something no mere mortal can withstand. Oh, Hime, she's already conquered all of Japan. I've seen you do collabs, and I've seen your live streams. Two of the biggest pairs, it means so much to me. Like a couple of space stations or two giant moons. But I'm sure you know they are a part of you. Her name is Hime, and she has an evil plan. Just wants to put a baby in everyone's hands. And her boobs are something a mere mortal can withstand. Oh, Hime, she's already conquered all of Japan. Hey now, woo, look, I knew you took over a planet with sexuality. At the end you want the whole galaxy. You make me feel like this is fantasy. I'll take my chance, cause luck is on my side. For something I know that you're conquering. Can I ask you something? Can I join your Hime harem thing? Her name is Hime, and she has an evil plan. Just wants to put a baby in everyone's hands. And her boobs are something no mere mortal can withstand. Oh, Hime, she's already conquered all of Japan. Her name is Hime, and I don't need to understand. And she might find I already know all of her plans. Oh, Hime will conquer all the lands. A robot dragon baby in everyone's hands.